And now we enter barn 9. This is what they're moving the stuff on this track. And that's the train we were on. And it's the mighty Zephyr. Yes. This is a big train. And uh-oh. I think the train I wanted Hayden to pulse with was moved out. I think they moved out your train, Hayden. Because usually it's on one of these tracks.
Yeah, it's here somewhere.
Oh, we can't recreate that look.
Yeah. You'll find another, right?
Oh, steam giant.
This is pretty standard size.
I mean, yeah, Hayden, go stand over by the wheel.
Oh, yeah, look at that. It's, you could easily kill me.
That is about a 6-foot wheel. Six feet tall, probably.
Okay, that was a bad idea. That is dirty.
Well, they're old. And this guy has 4 main, no, wait, 1, 2, 3.
6.
6.
Yeah.
I got, as I said, Hayden is my go-to. So what is it?
I think this kind of engine. Well, it has a placard over there, but I think it's called a Hudson. Yeah, it's a Hudson.
Aha, it's a 1930 Hudson 464. So explain to our viewers 464.
464 is the wheel configuration on the main engine, and some of them have nicknames. So 464 is known as a Hudson, and a 462 is a Pacific.
Huh.
So different wheel configurations have different names. Like there's Atlantic, Mikado,
Lincoln.
all different things like that.
Another big engine. So let's look at here. These. It's so weird. You never get to walk here. Ooh, they gotta fix that tender. Ah!
What?
No, I'm walking on the track, which you never get to walk on because it's always filled with trains. But I noticed over here, well, here's the cars of the Zephyr. But look at that snazzy diesel. Ah. Ooh, a United States Navy 040 1917.
This is a rare moment. You can actually get in and actually look underneath everything.
Yeah. Oh, here we have the couplings. Now, one of those is a knuckle and one isn't. So could they couple?
Is this what I think it is? Oh my god, it is.
Oh, well,
this is a Lincoln pin coupler.
Oh.
That came before this one.
For the knuckle coupler?
Yeah.
A Lincoln pin coupler. Oh, is this what you were telling me about? How the guy would have to drop the pin in?
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I don't think I can get it out, but... Yeah, that's it.
This looks like a face.
Whoa! Box. You'd have to drop the pin.
Oh, that is cool.
Good old dock.
Illinois Central Monday Morning Rail. 1880. 244.
This one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
So it's a dock tank.
26 wheel. 1926 6-wheel tank. 060 steam locomotive. Ooh. Now here's our knuckles. I think we documented this before. The knuckle coupling. They're holding hands. Cow catcher. Cow musher. Really old Union Pacific. This is the Grand Trunk Western Railroad, 1942, 484. So is there a name for a 484?
I think it's Mikado. I'm not sure.
See, look, there's 4 big-ass wheels here on one side, so that means 8 big-ass wheels.
Yeah.
And then there's little wheels. So, yeah, there you go. 4 in the front, 8 in the middle. Yeah. And then there should be 4 back here, right? Somewhere.
There they are.
Underneath that are the wheels.
You got the old style tender.
Oh, an old tender. What's this guy doing? Rather, see, you can't appreciate how big these are. I can't. Commonwealth Edison 6-wheel switcher.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Like sloped.
Freeze frame if you feel like it.
Sloped tenders.
Sloped. Oh yeah. See the tender slopes in the back. Oh, good old Commonwealth Edison. Who was the main guy? Insull. Samuel Insull. And he blew his fortune pretty quickly. Oh, some more big knuckles. What?
This
What?
is a duplex.
Explain.
Well, you see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 on this side.
Oh.
Over here we got another 1, 2, 3, 4.
So what is? Let's find out what this is. Norfolk, and Western. Articulated. 2882.
Yeah.
Ooh. So freeze frame if you want to read about it. Oh, big. Oh, these are just small, like 4-foot ones.
But it's got 5.
I meant 4 feet tall.
I know, but it's got 5.
5 4-feet talls? Tender. What? See, look how far we've come down. We're coming to the end of this particular walkway. We're going the wrong way. We always do that, you know that? See, we always go the wrong way. Oh, look at the size of these wheels. I think there's a picture of me on Twitter, and I'm standing in front of these wheels. 484 steam locomotive.
This one is.
Oh, yes, they have lighted the lamp.
Look at this. This is a
piston
This
thing?
is how it does
How it works.
Yeah. Let's see where
Flywheel. What's it called?
Well, no, this is the drive wheel. Cause,
Drive wheel. Close enough.
you got the cylinders over here, and then. Oh, you know what this is demonstrating? This is demonstrating Warschelt's valve gear.
Oh,
You'll see it on a lot of these ones.
okay. Ooh. They're big. Were you standing in front of that one?
I think so.
Shades, please, for us.
You got an old thing. I'd have to look to see.
I think these are what you could put.
There's a big. All right. Well, pretty much a lot of the same people are coming. Alright. So this is a Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, 1914. I know it's 1914, but I like to say, I make jokes about throwing the aught in there. Huh. The big wheels keep on turning. Toledo and Detroit Railroad. Ooh. Yeah, it's just you can't back up far enough to truly appreciate the massive scale of these. And as I said, we always end up going opposite. Not that they're going to kick you out or anything. It's not Disney World. It's better than Disney World. Nebraska Zephyr car. The mighty Zephyr. So sleek. So beautiful. This is Juno. They'll have Roman names. Ah, here we are. Those are the trains we walked by before. There's a big steam giant. Usually there's trains, but I'm not sure how I'll post this, but you'll see them. Trains being moved out. Oh, that was, well, I didn't catch that. Cygnus, I think. Minerva. There's a cute train. That's a Thomasy train, isn't it? It's a Thomas-like train.
Yeah.
Cute little tank engine with a big stack. Oh, Vesta. Look at this beautifully painted train. Burlington. Chicago Northwestern. Silver Pilot. And there we have our Barn 9. Whoa! Did this get closer? No. I don't think it did. It's the back of one engine. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye. Alright, here's a this is the big steam giant that we're moving. And I am pretty sure that there's a photo of me when I was about 10 years old, standing with my siblings in front of this train. We're all posing by the wheels. I should find that. Let's see the front of this thing. Size of that. Big train. Thomas train.